AIJA Half-Year Congress in Warsaw shall provide you not only with an exciting scientific program, but also interesting social events. The Congress will be divided into two seminars. First will be focused on corporate governance. The second seminar will concern the lawyer-client relationship. Both topics will be discussed not only among AIJA members, we will also share views with general counsels and in-house lawyers of large international corporations. On the other hand, each day from Wednesday until Saturday, we scheduled a vibrant social program, which will give you excellent networking opportunities in a pleasant and relaxing atmosphere which AIJA is known for. What is more, we will have a chance to meet participants of Warsaw Arbitration and Mediation Days organized by the ICC during the same period. All these events will take place in the heart of Warsaw, from where you could see the Warsaw highlights.